Hello everyone, I'm Julia and my teammates Catherine, Erica, Alex and Julia are five ladies. We are here to pitch our solution for knowledge sharing of intangible assets at Ernst & Young that can significantly help EY reach their target revenue increase of $50 billion. Our idea will increase knowledge sharing and limit loss of EY's most valuable assets, those held in the minds of its employees.
So what is the current problem that EY is facing? Knowledge assets only existing in an employee's mind can be quickly outdated or disappear from the organization with employee turnover. The current knowledge management and sharing of solution information globally at EY is limiting the performance of the company. The database is laborious to use and is time-consuming to update. There is little incentive to share and input knowledge, along with significant confidentiality issues of a traditional written database. This inefficient system is hindering the exchange of important information and ideas between the global network of EY offices. EY needs to find a way to overcome this prominent barrier to cross-cultural communication and knowledge sharing globally within the company. EY needs to move beyond information management by engaging with the organization's culture and encouraging individuals to interact. Transfer of tacit knowledge can be achieved through engendering involvement, trust, and openness among employees. As such, we have developed a socialized structure for one-to-one relationship that will enable uninhibited contact between global teams, a better understanding of cultural backgrounds, and encourage information and ideas to flow more freely within EY. For example, Will is a new member of the EY advisory team in Sydney. He meets with his counselor to discuss his career goals and personal drivers. Will is passionate about martial arts and has just taken up karate. Will is then connected with Chan, a black belt from the Hong Kong advisory team. Sometime later, Will is working on an international merger. He needs some information about offshore tax in Hong Kong, so he contacts Chan to see if he can offer any insight. While Chan doesn't know, he mentions it to a colleague who has a friend in the tax team and has just finished a similar project. He is able to provide Will with the insight needed quickly and accurately. The main values that our ideal will provide to Ernst & Young are information sharing through a personal network system, an increase in the efficiency of the knowledge management process, enhancement of cross-cultural relationships, personal integrity limiting confidentiality issues, the lowering of mass questions that are randomly sent to all employees, use of free services, and furthermore, studies have shown that a better and purposeful sharing of knowledge translates into accelerated individual and organizational learning. The costs that the implementation of our idea will require are mainly related to additional work for human resource and knowledge management teams, countered by the use of existing infrastructure. To measure effectiveness, performance metrics related to the interaction success will be used and reviewed annually.
To execute alignment with EY's approach of faster and more efficient sharing of ideas, existing infrastructure, resource, and individual goals will be adapted for the new strategic networking program. Human resources will provide team, location, role, experience, and typology test data on participants. The knowledge management team will adopt a new approach to knowledge contained by EY that includes intangible assets held within its staff. They will monitor the success of the socialized approach, analyzing feedback metrics from participants and monitoring online activities. Annual knowledge exchange workshops will be scheduled for projects to benefit from in-person meetings. Annual interaction with international colleagues will be added to participants' performance metrics. Annual performance reviews will assess the relationship built, knowledge shared, and experience gained through the interactions. By strategically pairing EY employees in different locations, based on teams and personal goal similarities, genuine relationships across cultures can develop, facilitating knowledge sharing. Through strategic pairing of employees across EY locations based on teams and their personal drivers, tapping into existing knowledge management and human resource metric infrastructure, EY can increase knowledge and sharing of the organization's intangible assets, generating better solutions for its clients and aligning itself with their 2020 vision of a $50 billion revenue target. Thank you very much.